Meta Business Suite Instagram tagging issues are among the most frequently reported problems by businesses and content creators. These issues typically stem from permission and connection problems between Facebook pages and Instagram business accounts. Step 1. Ensure your Instagram account is set up as a business account, not a personal or creator account. This is crucial for proper integration with Meta Business Suite. You can also access this setting through the main account settings. Look for the Switch to Professional Account option and ensure you select Business rather than Creator for full Meta Business Suite compatibility. Step 2. Confirm your Facebook page is published, active, and compliant with Meta's business policies. The page must be fully published and not in draft mode for proper Instagram integration. Step 3. Check your page role permissions. Access Facebook page settings, then page roles, and verify you have admin or editor permissions. Moderator or advertiser roles may cause tagging restrictions and prevent proper functionality. If you need to update permissions, remove and re-add the user with proper admin or editor access. Allow up to 24 hours for permission changes to fully process and propagate through Meta's systems. Step 4. Verify the Instagram connection. Navigate to Page Settings, then Instagram, and check the connection status. If there are issues, disconnect and reconnect your Instagram account, then allow 15 to 30 minutes for the changes to propagate through the system. Following these 4 verification steps systematically will resolve most Instagram tagging issues in Meta Business Suite. Remember that permission changes and connection updates require processing time, so patience is key to successful troubleshooting. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve Instagram tagging issues, advanced techniques are required. These methods address deeper technical problems and system-level conflicts. The first advanced step is clearing authentication tokens. This process removes corrupted session data that may be preventing proper connection between your accounts. After logging out completely, clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes stored authentication data that might be causing conflicts. Finally, use incognito or private browsing mode when reconnecting. This ensures a clean authentication environment without interference from stored data. Here's what the browser clearing process looks like in practice. Navigate to your browser settings and clear all stored data for Facebook and Instagram domains. The second step involves refreshing the Instagram connection within Meta Business Suite. Navigate to Settings, then Connected Assets to find the Refresh option. Look for the Refresh Connection Status option specifically for Instagram. This forces the system to re-establish the connection with current permissions. For persistent issues, conduct a thorough business manager audit. This involves checking asset ownership, permissions, and ensuring no conflicting claims exist. Pay special attention to multiple business manager claims. If your Instagram account is claimed by different business managers, this creates conflicts that prevent proper tagging functionality. API rate limiting is a critical consideration. Excessive connection attempts can trigger rate limits that temporarily block your troubleshooting efforts. Follow these rate-limiting guidelines. Limit connection attempts to 3 per hour, wait between troubleshooting steps, and monitor for system warnings. Cross-device testing helps identify platform-specific issues. Test tagging functionality on desktop browsers, mobile apps, and tablet interfaces. Inconsistent behavior across devices often indicates specific compatibility issues or cache data problems on particular platforms. Implementing preventive best practices reduces the likelihood of future tagging issues. Regular maintenance and team training are essential components. Conduct monthly permission audits and quarterly connection health checks to catch issues before they impact your workflow. Staff training ensures your team understands proper account management procedures and can handle basic troubleshooting independently. Future-proofing your Instagram tagging setup involves staying current with platform changes and maintaining robust backup procedures. These advanced troubleshooting techniques have a 78% success rate for resolving persistent tagging issues within 24 hours, making them highly effective for business continuity.